everyone, and Happy New Year, and welcome to my first 2020 living room tour. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you some of my upgrades that I've made in my living room. So if you guys are interested, let's go ahead and get started. And I want to start here at the fireplace because this is one of the first changes that I made in the living room for the new year. Now, as you can see, if you've seen other tours of mine, this picture came from the dining room. And every January, I try and switch up some of my decor just to get a new look in the rooms. And so I brought this in from the dining room because I have a new picture for the dining room, which I'll share with you in a later video. But I brought it in here to see if it would work, and I think it looks pretty good. I also wanted to keep it pretty simple, so I just placed a pair of candlesticks on the sides of the picture, and then I placed a votive cup holder in the center. And continuing to keep it simple, I just added a vase at the bottom of the fireplace that mimicked the colors in the picture, and then I just added some pussy willow and a simple hydrangea on one side, and then on the other side I just added a couple of ornament bulbs. And so here on the back wall I added a metal art piece that I got from Hobby Lobby. It really complements another item that I just purchased, and I'll show you in a little bit. Okay, and so these decor pieces you've seen maybe in my home before. None of these items are new, and I'm not going to go into everything. I just wanted to point out some of the newer items that I picked up for the new year. Now the sofa is fairly new. It is a neutral color, and I really like that about it because I can add any type of pillows, and so you may see different pillows going forward, but for right now I'm keeping the color palette pretty neutral. Okay, so the last item that I'm going to share with you that's new in the living room is this beautiful rug. Now I picked this rug up, you guys won't even believe where I got it, but I picked this up at Ross right before Christmas, and I just love the neutral colors. It has different shades of gray, a little bit of brown and taupe, and then a cooler gray. And this is exactly what I was looking for. I have been looking for a neutral color rug for a while now, and so when I saw it right before Christmas, I went ahead and picked it up. And I love the way it picks up the brown in both chairs. And there's also a little brown in the artwork. And so those are the new additions to the living room for the winter decor. And so now I'll let you guys take a look around. And I just love the way all the neutrals just blend. So as you look around, you will notice that I don't have winter decor per se. I just like to bring in the warmth through things like throws, the glow of a candlelight, and of course, a warm fire.